Three.
Good afternoon. My name's Jimmy Charles and I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate with a wee bit of Cadbury chocolate mix, some jet puffed marshmallows from Kraft, and some whipping cream.
Oh shit.
The first step is to add not one, but 2 heaping tablespoons of hot chocolate. And then what the hell, we put one more in there.
Tripod.
Next we're going to take some water. This is purified water from the springs in Clearbrook, Montana. We're going to add not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 5 and a little bit water. You put the water down, and you see the hot chocolate has a liquidy consistency. We haven't mixed it yet, but before that we have to take our jet puff marshmallows. We're going to put just a pip in there.
Julia.
And then we're going to mix it. It's better just to get a smaller spoon to do this with. And we mix it around. Oh, it looks delicious, doesn't it? Mmm, yummy. Alright, time for the whipped cream.
Yay! He's using whipped cream! He's using whipped cream! Up there, the whipped cream!
And a little sprinkle on top. There you go, instant hot chocolate. It's a wee bit delicious. Thank you.
This is James signing out.
I'm just gonna